Welcome back to another Watershed Walk. This is part 2 of our winter tree identification series. In this video, we will be covering some easy to identify species that are fairly common in our watershed, using the techniques for winter tree ID discussed in last week's video. Sugar maple is a common tree in our watershed and across Canada. Young sugar maples will have smooth, gray bark, which becomes darker with age. As the tree matures, it will develop long, irregular vertical strips, as seen here. Sugar maple twigs are reddish-brown in color, and its buds are opposite, pointed in shape, and are dark brown. Next, let's look at white birch, also known as paper birch. This tree is very easy to identify in the winter due to its unique bark. The white bark of this tree will peel off in large strips or sheets. The buds are alternate and bluntly pointed at the tip. White birch may also have catkins, which can appear in groups of 1 to 3. Another birch that is common in our watershed is yellow birch. This tree's bark will easily peel off in thin strips that form tight curls. The key identifying feature to look for is the color of the bark, which is often a yellowy bronze color. Here you can really see the difference in color between white and yellow birch. Some other ways to identify yellow birch are to look for the presence of hairs on the twig, and to scratch a portion of the twig and see if it smells like wintergreen. Speckled alder is another easy to identify tree. This shrub-like tree will have an abundance of catkins and remnants of last year's fruit, which are easy to spot. Speckled alder also has alternate stalked buds, which is another identifying feature to look for. If you've ever seen a tree that still had leaves in the winter, it's likely it was an American beech. Beech trees have smooth, gray bark that generally stays smooth even as the tree matures. The leaves are oval in shape, with pointed teeth that line up with the leaf veins. The buds are alternate, orange to brown in color, and are slender, ending in a point. This video just scratches the surface of all the different types of trees we have in our watershed. Next time you are spending some time outdoors, take a look around and see what tree species you can find. Thanks for tuning in to this week's Watershed Walk. Thank you to all of our partners that help make the work we do at the KWRC possible. Make sure to follow us on social media so you can stay up to date with all of our projects. We'll see you next time.